First, remove the key. Use a pair of simple channel locks. Unscrew the bezel housing that attaches the ignition switch to the control panel. Push the ignition switch through the control panel. Unplug the ignition switch connectors from the wiring harness. Take the replacement ignition switch and plug the connectors to the wiring harness. Make sure you connect the 3-wire to the 3-wire connector and the 2-wire to the 2-wire connector. Push the ignition switch back through the control panel, making sure it is lined up correctly with the off position. Screw the bezel housing back onto the ignition switch. Replace the key.